So today in this video we shall factorize 19 plus 18a minus a square. So to factorize first expression 19 and last expression minus a square. So both are same and here we have 19. So we have to divide 19 in such a way that its result becomes 18 and by multiplying 19. So 19 and 1. So 19 into 1 means 19 and 19 minus 1 means 18. So it divided as plus 19a minus a. So 19a minus a means 18a. So now we find out the common in these both first expression and these both last expression. Here common here is 19. So remaining 1 plus 19 already came only a. Common in these both are minus a. So remaining here 1 plus a square, a already came, so remaining is a. So now we again find out common in first and last expression. So both contain 1 plus a. So 1 plus a is common and remaining in the first 19, in the last minus a. So 1 plus a and 19 minus a are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.